Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Unity Software Inc. And if you are looking at this stock, you will get a good risk reward as far as the overall trend is concerned. The only thing is we do not have much data about this trend, but there is a trend which is there and which is clear to see. So let us discuss about this price chart of Unity Software Inc. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what do we have here is the big question. As you can clearly see, there are three specific levels which we need to taken care of, where you have your immediate support at 81.91, then we have our next support at 76.94, and finally the stop loss of 74. So this is a range and we can't tell you the exact place, so this is the exact or that is the exact, but this is the range in between which the stock has taken support multiple times in the last 2 years and made a decent amount of bounce back. You may also include this level, which is your immediate support, and it will be 86.37. So now you have 2 or 3 supports, or I would say 2 support, which is 86 and 81, and the range of stop loss in between 74 and 76. If the stock continues to hold on this range or trading at or above this range, obviously we have a very simple trend to look at. I think most of you already seen that thing, so it's quite visible in front of you. So if it sustains above 86.37, the first 2 immediate targets we have here will be 114 and 119, and then you have another range. Now this time there will be 3 levels, so 137, you have 143, and you have 151. So these will be the next 3 levels, and then the upper end of the range. Okay, then the upper end of the range we have here is 172 and 175. Now beyond 175, obviously the stock has already tested $200, but this right now this is an expansion that has happened, so we are not considering it. If the stock moves above $176, then obviously the next target will be 207. But right now what we have here is $74 on the downside and 175 on the upside. Now it's very hard to tell that when will the bounce back happen. I mean, after 2 days or after 3 days, but whenever it happens, and most importantly, if the range, if this highlighted section holds, then obviously over a period of time we will have a decent bounce back, which is yet to be seen. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.